Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of this IWEEL hair clipper for kids. According to the listing, it says electric baby hair clipper, ceramic hair trimmer for infants and toddlers, ultra quiet IPX7 waterproof rechargeable cordless haircut kit set for child fine hair. So yeah, nobody tells you to use it only for children. If you are an adult with fine hair, I mean, yeah, when you get older, your hair tends to get finer. Maybe that's still something for you. Nobody restricts the usage to children. It's only $17. It's waterproof, you can wash it. I mean, that's something which I highly suggest to buy only if you have something, if you're buying something like something for your beard, I mean for men to shave and those things and hair and everything, just make sure that it's washable. Everything else is a mess and nasty on the long term, so you only want to have something washable at the end. And for $17 we cannot complain. There's a lot here, I think. Yeah, again, here on the packaging, IPX7 LCD ultra quiet safely. We have this really nice display here. Yeah, the model is called IW222, and here we see the accessories which we have. I mean, of course they are built for children, but I don't see a problem why it shouldn't work for adults as well. Use time 90 minutes. That sounds really good. I mean, usually for adults we have to pay more, and I think, yeah, if that works also for adults, could be a good buy, I think. So I'm trying this for myself, of course, because my hair cutter yeah, was damaged. I mean, it might look maybe a little bit silly if you're using that for adults, but you don't have to show this to everybody when you do that. So if you're doing that at home, yeah, why not? I mean, so here you have everything, all the parts, all the heads, here the charging thing. That's, yeah, not a standard USB unfortunately, but that's something which a lot of manufacturers are using for like hair cutters or beard shaver, yeah, razors. So but it's still, it doesn't have to be standard. There are a couple of different things, so you better keep the thing, yeah, here to clean. Yeah, I was pretty sure that should be on Amazon because it's part of the package, but it was not listed on Amazon. It's not even listed in the package listing, so I'm going to show you what this is. I'm pretty sure that's something which a lot of hairdressers are using anyway, so that's a little bit difficult to show you here, but I think you get an idea what this is. You can put this around the head of children. That's pretty convenient. I remember that I had this when I was young, so you can put it around the head of children, then secure it, something like that, and so they are not totally full of these hairs. And I think it's pretty decent. It's nice to get something like this. Just additionally, they don't even mention that in the listing, and really it's so cheap. Here's some instructions. Let's start here. I'm going to show you everything. Yeah, this is something I do in all of my videos if ever possible, to show the full manual. So if you want to make a better buy decision, or you buy used, or you lost your instructions, here it is. Hope you can see that. Just go to 1080p highest resolution, put it on pause for a couple of seconds, then you can read everything. Hope that's enough. That's not much, a little bit, the specs and, yeah, about cleaning, maintenance, water resistance. So let's take it out here. Yeah, that is a little bit slippery, not too much, a little bit. So let's see. I think, yeah, I mean, of course I have to charge it first and then I will use it. I'll show you all the heads, how they work, and of course I will use it on myself. I'm not going to show you how this really works. I mean, I'm not an internet model or something like that. I'm too old. I'm a male, not a beauty queen. I'm not going to show you how this really works, but you know how it works, and I'm going to test this all for myself, and I'll let you know how it worked for me. Again, I'm a little bit older. I have some fine hair, yeah, since couple of years. Hair get thinner and thinner, of course, like with a lot of men, but I still want to keep my hair. I think it's better than bald for myself, so I try this now and I'll give you my honest opinion on that. This is not a paid review. Nobody pays me to make this video. If it's good, I will tell you it's good. If it's bad, I will tell you this is bad. So I hope you can trust that. This is always as I do in all of my videos. By the way, here's something, yeah, I haven't seen that, maybe warranty card or something like that. Yeah, you can, I hold it here, you can read maybe something about support, email, support numbers, homepage, whatsoever. Yeah, by the way, this sponge here we get as well. Yeah, I'll open that. No, I'm not going to open that. I think you can see that on Amazon. If you don't have it on Amazon, I'm going to show you. I'll check on Amazon. And now, for now, I'm going to charge and use it, and then I come back. Okay, when I got the hair clipper, the charge was only about 17%, but I actually still decided to use it before I charged it. I mean, I didn't use it too long, just for a minute or two, and I think that's good. So now I'm charging that. The good thing is with the display, it is showing the charge all the time when you're charging it and when you're using it, so you have good information about how long you have to still charge and how long you can use it. That's really good for this price. Yeah, it's exceptional. And I've been reading again, the instructions clearly say it's IPX7. IPX7 means you can submerge it up to 1 meter for up to 30 minutes. That's crazy for a hair clipper, but I definitely wouldn't recommend to do a full submerge, but you can definitely easily wash. I've been washing it thoroughly with a little bit soap even, and it worked really good. Got super clean again. So yeah, how did it work for cutting? Yeah, it worked really good. The thing is, what you have to know, usually with hair clippers you have a blade, you have actually two metal blades. You have one which stays just all the time in the same position, and one which is moving left and right. So when I turn this on here, you can see there is only this plastic here. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to focus. I'm trying here. Yeah, hold it here, maybe that's easier. So, and I turn it on again. So you can see that's only this plastic here moving left and right. I mean, we have the metal blade here in the back, but the plastic is moving left and right. So I'm pretty sure it won't have the same lifespan as if you had two metal blades. So that's obviously a little bit of difference, but of course I think the reason why they did it is because they want to make sure that babies cannot get hurt when you have two metal blades. Sometimes you can get hurt a little bit. So here you can definitely, as you can see, I can go with my hand, with my fingers, even here. Yeah, there's absolutely no risk you can get hurt, I think, because just the plastic is moving and no metal part is moving. That's not bad. That's a good idea, actually. I mean, there's still the metal part, the metal blade, which cuts actually the hair, but there's the plastic moving left and right, and it's probably as safe as it gets, and the cutting still worked really good. So I have to admit, it was not cutting less than my old hair clipper. It was cutting pretty fast and good and precise and everything. I didn't experience any kind of difference between having this plastic plate and the two, like the one with where you have just one metal and one plastic, and the old one where I have two metal blades. So here the thing is, this is really easy to apply and take away. Here you have the one for like bald or almost bald areas. You can easily secure and remove. That's, by the way, that's the only tip where you have this here to secure it. I don't know why. All the other tips, they work with this thing here. They have a bump on both sides and you can use them on both sides, and they have different lengths. So here you can see, here for example on the left side you have 6 millimeter, on the right side you have 3 millimeters, and here same thing. Here you have on the left side 9 millimeters, here you have 12 millimeters. If you put it this way, it's different. I mean, then you're using the 12 millimeter and then not the 9 millimeter. So depending on your needs, you turn it this way or this way. It's always, of course, the the one to the front. Here it would be the 12 millimeter, and then you have to just secure it here. It's pretty easy, and it's not secured here as the other one. And to remove, you just pull here a little bit. Super easy to use all the heads, to charge everything. It's everything nice and good and easy, and I would say for $17 that's really good value. I mean, of course it's not a ultra heavy sturdy metal thing which lasts 2000 years, but I guess if you are a little bit careful, it could last probably for a couple of years, and then children are a little bit older, and then you can start using another thing. Maybe you will have to use anyway a thing where you can cut longer hair. I mean, the limitation here, of course, is definitely 12 millimeters. That's also what the instructions say. That's the longest thing which you have here, and there's no way you can make this thing longer or so. There's nothing to shift or move or something like that. 12 millimeter is the longest, and that's actually pretty much 0. That's the shortest. So you have pretty much everything between 0 and 12 millimeters. I think that's for the sideburns. The special thing here. So I would say works pretty good. I mean, these things here, all the like toes here in front, these are just decoration. The button is just here. It's easy to push, and then you can see it shows the charge during charging and during the operation as well. There's one more thing I wanted to show you, and that's the space between the teeth and the angle. So that's my old broken one, and when we compare them, you can see there is a little bit less gap between the baby one and the other one. I think not much, just a little bit, tiny little bit, but it's pretty close, so similar. I expected a little bit more distance, but I mean, more teeth means a little bit better protection, so we cannot complain. And regarding the angle, it's pretty much the same. I've been checking that at the beginning. It looked like I had the impression that it had a lower angle, so it would mean that it's easier, that it can easier grab the hair. But I think when we really compare it, I've done this I have done this now a couple of times and looked from every angle, and I think it is almost absolutely same angle as I had with this brown cruiser, and probably that's pretty much standard what you can expect. So nothing weird, nothing special, but it's good cutting. It's not rocket science. I mean, that's not a miracle cutter or something like that, but it's, I think, decent value. It's easy as it gets. I mean, everything works. It's not a scam, it's not a cheat, it's not a ripoff. I think it's pretty good value. $17 at the moment, IW222, and I will put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out or try it from there if you like it. And I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.